Okay, so in this video we will write the check, do we have already registered user with the same email. So first of all we have to create the query inside user queries. So async def, I will create select user by email, since we will look for the user by email. And here we need the email, which is string, and we will return optional, so we will import from typing import optional user. Okay, so here we need something interesting. We need to create a filter by user. So Google Cloud Firestore provides some techniques in Python to create field filter instances. So here we will create field filter. So it's pretty easy. Email equals email. If you want me to show you the documentation separate video, please write me a comment. So here is the query. So the query is user ref. We already have defined the ref where filter equals filter by, not by user, by email. Okay. And user docs. Here you show interesting feature of Python, async for doc in query.stream. So here we will query all the fields which equals to this email. Okay, so next one, if user doc, since this will be array of document snapshots, if there is a length of this list, we will create user doc is equal to user docs, the first one, because we will make sure that we are inserting only one user with the same email. User data is equal, because we have to transform this to dictionary, and I love to, how to say, this is my style of coding, to write every operation in a separate row. Of course you can write one row, many people have different code styling. I want this kind of programming. So here is, we are taking an ID and we are creating the user instance of user data. Okay, and we are returning the user. And in the other user, we return none. So if we don't have user with the same email, we are returning none. And here in our route, we are creating a logic, existing user equals await select select user by email, and here we will add credentials, user data, excuse me, dot email. Okay, so we can see we have VS Code suggestions, because user data is instance of user, it have to be. Okay, and if we have existing user, we will return an exception. So we will raise HTTP exception. exception. So this HTTP exception we will import from FastAPI and status. Okay, I will show what that means. So HTTP exception with status code, which is from this status object. Maybe let me know it's a model. So all statuses here are hard coded, you can see, with constant. So we will use get request. Okay. Okay, and I will provide details. Okay. And if we don't have, we will continue with the treating of the user. Okay, so let's leave the hashing of the password for the next video. Thank you.